Welcome to CSC-121, Python Programming at Johnston Community College. This video is your essential guide to navigating CSC-121, setting expectations, and ensuring your success this semester. We'll cover everything from course structure to critical deadlines and best practices for managing your time. I'm Tim Boyd, your instructor. If you can follow directions and watch the calendar, you're already winning. Let's set you up for success by looking at what you'll learn in this hands-on course. This course is a hands-on introduction to Python. You'll learn to design solutions, write and test code, and clearly explain what your program does and why. We will progress from the basics of programming to more advanced topics like object-oriented and practical scripting skills, covering variables, control flow, functions, and problem-solving. Next, let's talk about the structure of the course and the platforms we'll use. CSC-121 is either an online or hybrid course. This means you will manage your own time each week to complete the required activities. Everything starts in Blackboard: weekly overviews, due dates, submissions, and links. You'll use Cisco Netacad for guided lessons and exercises. Real Python will supplement. It is critical to understand the grading breakdown and the firm policy on deadlines for this course. Your final grade is weighted as follows: quizzes 15%, labs 40%, midterm 15%, and final 30%. Deadlines are absolute. Submissions close at the posted time. There is no grace period. Late work is not accepted except for documented emergencies per college policy. Plan backward and verify your upload. Mark these important dates on your calendar now to stay on track throughout the semester. Complete enrollment verification by May 27, 2026. The midterm is due June 16th, week 4. The last day to withdraw is June 25th, and both final exam components are due July 14th, 2026. To participate fully, you need a reliable computer and internet access. Netacad access is provided, so optional local software installs are fine, but not required to begin. Let's focus on proven strategies for success in this course. Start early each week. Practice daily to reinforce concepts. Read instructions twice before beginning, and test your code often. Ask questions before the deadline, not after. Treat quizzes as study guides for the midterm and final exams. This will ensure you master the material. I'm here to support your learning journey, so let's review how to reach me. Email me at trboyd@johnstoncc.edu. I am off campus for the summer of 2026, but can be available online by appointment. Always check Blackboard announcements weekly for updates. Jump into week 1. Complete your enrollment verification and begin your first tasks. Remember, deadlines are absolute. Protect your time and you'll do great in CSC 121. I look forward to a successful semester.